Hey guys, welcome back to Made by Nale. How have you been? Personally, I'm good, taking each day as it comes. So my question for you guys is, have you been watching Emily in Paris? Because I certainly have, because guys, the fashion in Emily in Paris is so fire that it just makes me love fashion once again. And I'm not gonna lie, I've been dying to make a beret, hence the fact I've got some black scrap material from old projects, because it's not every day cut up things, do you understand? Like, not every day we have to destroy our perfectly warm cardigans, okay? We only destroy or reconstruct things that have been, you know, used and we don't really like want to wear them again. So if you're someone watching this and you're like, oh no, but I love that jumper, that warm jumper of mine, like I love this dress that I'm wearing right now, oh, it's just giving, like, yeah, I love this dress. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it would look great as a beret. Like, when I look at this dress, I'm thinking, oh, like a little bit of me just wants to turn this dress into a beret. But listen, I love this dress, so I'm not gonna do that. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna use some old scrap fabric. Ugh, sorry about the fluff. But yeah, we're gonna use this just to turn it into like a nice cute black beret. The material for me is just not giving, but sometimes when you're doing a DIY, it's always good just to like I want to say use something that you don't really mind if like it was to come out badly. God forbid, this will not come out badly. We rebuke that. But yeah, like just use something that you just feel like, okay, if I was to cut this up, I'm not going to feel bad. And I feel like this material is only about like £1.50 for a meter if you go to a really good shop. So yeah, I'm going to like attempt to do that using this fabric, and we're gonna try and make a nice gorgeous Emily in Paris style beret, because guys, we can't be walking around with our hair out sometimes because it's a bit too cold. Not sure how much warmth this will give us, but it's better than nothing. So thank you guys once again for subscribing. I greatly appreciate. I see you guys on the making side. Mwah. So for this DIY, I used a kitchen lid for referencing for my measurements, and this was to do my circumference of beret. And I also used some soap. The soap is great because we can just wash it off. So with my fabric, I folded it into two so that when whatever we're cutting duplicates. And then I carefully placed my kitchen lid on the fabric and literally drew around. Take your time with this, guys. Once that was done, I just cut around the circle that I just drew. It's not perfect, but you can just sort of cut. And my scissors were so blunt that I had to change into shearing scissors. Once you've cut out the circle, you should have two pieces like this, and then you want to place one piece to the side and work on the other piece. I just kept it all stacked up, and guys, you want to use like a cake tin just to draw like a smaller circle in the middle. Once that's done, you should have something like this, and you want to literally cut in the middle of that circle. So I just folded it into two, and you just want to like cut round, as you can see, because we want to lose the middle bit, because it's going to work as like, you know, the bit that just props the beret up a little bit. Once that's done, you should have something like this, and you want to literally put it on top of the other circle that you didn't cut a hole into, and pin it all together, because we will be just sewing straight around. And I think you can see that it's turning into a beret a little bit. And let's say you used fancy fabric, it would literally look like a beret at this point. So yeah, guys. And then I took the pieces to my sewing machine and literally did a straight stitch straight around, guys, and that is basically it. It's that easy. And like I said, if you want to make it more like extra level, you could also add a lining, but I just wanted to keep this very simple for you to see, because if you were using knit, you wouldn't really need some lining as well. I mean, lining is good for everything, but yeah, so just enjoy the time lapse. And just like that, guys, you have your beret. This is a very simple standard DIY, but just wait until you guys see when I use a scarf and recreate the same thing, because it's that easy. Just follow the same steps and do it over and over again. See you next time.